Hey cellos and basses, here is your lesson 3 video for Concerto in G by Vivaldi. Today we're going to start at 37 and get up to 62. So we're on page 2. Majority of the piece after this lesson will be learned, and we'll just have one last section to do. Again, your parts are identical through this piece, other than some octaves here and there. So basses, again, just play along with your parts, know what you're doing. There's a little bit of shifting for you guys up to second and third position, but nothing nuts. All right, so here's 37, everybody. Again, we're just going slow, figuring out these notes so you can speed it up on your own. Cellos, while we're stopped just for a minute, take a look at 41. You guys have a little bit of second position here. We're going to be going up to a D sharp with your 3. 1 on C sharp, back up to D sharp, 4th finger E, and then shift back down to your 1st finger. So play that nice and slow. All those fingerings are written in for you. Basses, you guys are going to be going, ooh, sorry I didn't write this in for you. 41, you're going to be going up to an extended third position, or third and half position, sorry. So you're going to get a D sharp going, so a half step higher than your normal 4 in third. Then bring it back to your C sharp, back up to D sharp, go a half step higher to E, and then back down to your E again. So when we get to that measure, I'm going to go really slow so you can match pitch. But anyway, let's play 37. Here we go. So starting on your G, again, a little bit of octave jumping for the basses. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Here's your D sharp, play that slow with me. Then C sharp, D sharp again. Then your high E, low E. Okay, so listen to that again. Sorry, with the right rhythm. Okay, so now we're going to start at 41. If you have to do that a couple more times until you figure it out, do so right now. And now 41, I'm going to start there and keep on going. So here we go, 41. 1 and 2 and. Regular one. Rest. Alright, so cellos, you should recognize that part I just did, those last 3 measures. It was the same as back on page 1 at measure 31. Optional shift to third position to do the C, C sharp, D progression. Again, either way is fine. Alright, so a couple things to watch out for. There's some accidentals. Be careful of those half notes at around 51. That'll catch you off guard with how slow that is. So make sure you're counting and not spacing out like I did a little bit. And again, check that measure 41 a couple times before you work up the speed and play along with the run-through video. So again, making sure when you're practicing, do this a couple days in a row before the practice reflection so that you can have this pretty much mastered and get through all those check boxes before submitting the reflection.